late Chief Alhaji Dawuda Onyagocha. The new Imam is Barrister Suleiman Njoku from Ndisi. I call on the second house hour to present the new Imam to the governor.
Your Excellency, how will you go? It's my pleasure to be with you, Your Excellency. The Deputy Governor of Igbo State, Prof. The Secretary of the State Government, the Second-Tier Secretary, and the Chief of Staff, my dear brother, Barrister, and the Attorney General, my friend too. I am here to do a simple duty, Your Excellency. And my duty as the chairman of the Igbo State Muslim Council is to present the Chief Imam of Imo State, who is in the center at the Central Mosque, to you and make him official to the Imo State government. Your Excellency, there's no other person I'm talking about than our dear brother, who is highly schooled as a Muslim and also as a lawyer. He read Sharia law, he also read conventional law, and he has been in the practice of law for so many years, and he is an indigene of Imo State, and for him to say like he has been introduced, and he's a young, vibrant youth, and since after the date of our late Chief Imam, like Dawuda Ambassador Onyagocha, we found new one to replace him and to lead us in all our activities spiritually in Imo State as Muslims. Your Excellency, may I take your kind permission to present to you, Chief Imam, sir, to present to you the Chief Imam of Imo State.